Good morning. It's a Saturday over here at P&K Farms, doing some of the work behind the scenes that produce some of the delicious strawberries. It's starting to rain now. Just fixing beds right now. So this has been my life. Mud and dirt. Break time. Yes. Wet. Buddy Junior here, BJ. Hey, what's up, buddy? Don't pee on me. Sit. Buddy, sit. Good job. This cat follows us all over in the fields. Huh, kitty? Brought some backpacking gear. Brought the Lightsmith cold soaking jar. Some oatmeal. Snacking on for my break. Here we have young Alex digging away. POV farming, fixing beds, shoveling mud, getting rained on. Well, I doubt you'll find this in Farm Simulator. Yeah, a little bit muddy. It's gonna rain later tonight, so trying to fix as much of these beds as possible. A lot of ways this is harder than backpacking. Just shoveling mud in the winter. But I imagine trail maintenance volunteer work is probably similar, so maybe I'll try to do some of that later on just to give back. Helps to switch sides once in a while, just so one arm doesn't end up all buff more than the other, like that dude from that M. Night Shyamalan movie. Alright, lunchtime. Oh yeah, that's a nice blueberry. Back at it.
知らず歩いてきた細く長いこの道振り返れば遥か 遠くふるさとが見えるでこぼこ道や曲がりくねった道地図さえないそれもまだ人生
Got Rafa here. He's one of the OGs of the farm. I heard way back in the day, my dad trained him how to irrigate. Now it's coming back around, teaching me the ways of the farm. Here's the cover crop, just to let some land sit. What's that? Huh? I know. Kind of look like one of those hairless chimpanzees now. But more like a more like a buff orangutan. Time to go home. Got most of the beds fixed.